Hey, welcome to Peristyle, the heart of Diocletian's palace. Come on, follow me. We're going on a mini adventure. Look ahead, when you spot the ancient Sphinx. That's it, Jupiter's temple. Don't panic, just breathe, and enjoy the beauty around you. Now, we're entering the tiniest street in the world. It's called Pusti proć. Yup, it means let me pass. And trust me, you'll see why. That's it, you've made it to Jupiter's temple. One more second, and you're right at Heritage Hotel Slavija, your perfect spot inside the palace. Tiny streets, big history, and a lot of fun. Welcome, this beautiful stairs is the main entrance to your hotel.